What's up, vlog? We are back in action. We are going to Sion City this weekend. Dit gaan lekker wees vir die swemmerjol. Cut to the road trip on the way to the swemmerjol.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew in the wisdom.
We have arrived!
We are doing social media, I'm sorry.
Ja, sorry. Oh, kijk, een Maud van mij. Vlog. Vloggy, do you want to show the cabana, Maud?
Oh, sure. Welcome. This is our prime private double bed suite.
Ooh,
These are percale sheets.
Picale.
Finest, highest
How would you
quality.
spell Picale?
Percale.
Wow, smart
This is a
too.
little flat screen TV. As you can see, a beautiful day here in the sun of cities.
It is a beautiful
And
day.
here is a shower. I really suggest you use it.
Me, I don't like
Specifically.
it. But we're gonna go for a swim.
Yeah, that would be fine.
And beautiful shower
And
doors.
there's a, ooh, who's that? Who's that over there?
Hi.
Hello.
And
That's the loo.
might be useful
Might be useful.
over the
And
weekend.
then what's this?
A little
That's where your
cupboard.
clothes go. And
Oh,
that, as they say, is that.
and you are next door if I get frightened at night.
Come to my room.
Let's go. I'm just gonna, I can leave it open, it's safe, yeah, at this beautiful luxury
It's
hotel.
my room. It's not as glamorous as.
Wow.
Yeah. it is
There's a sheet if you want to sleep.
Some of the percale.
Some of the bouquet.
It looks exactly the same.
Yeah.
Dit ook hier.
2518.
In here are secrets I'll never tell.
Gossip Girl out. First thing is first. Wi-Fi. And coffee.
Offer a wide range of hotels, casinos. Speak to a switchboard operator. Please press 0. And excitement, adventure, and romance. Our diverse Boatfront casino has evolved with the times and has the latest technology. Popular games combine a spectacle of round-the-clock thrills for both experienced and first-time gamers. Recently refurbished.
Oh, finally.
Let's say you're speaking to Carabor. Can I help you?
Hi. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Food is on the way. Super Sport Motorsport is on the TV right now. Ooh, ooh.
Leeds could still win the title.
Today's practicing.
Of the bad variety go the way of some of the teams above them.
What's going on here? No alcohol yet. Joking. Look at this. Vegetarian samosas and spring rolls. Cheers. Okay, so now we've chilled for like 2 hours. We've gotten something to eat. We've rested. We've prepped for tonight because we are emceeing the concert. The Swemmerjol. The Swemmerjol. Kyk net. Swemmerjol. Beplan. En by mekaar gesit. Deur Kurt Darren.
From the moment you was dancing in the party, pushing out on me, giving everything. You're giving everything tonight. And if you thought you could get away from me and get away from me, girl, just take your time. You're coming on with me tonight. Girl, I got a question for
What is good, guys? It is currently 2 a.m. and I've just showered, cleaned my face. Die somerjol was lekker. Ja, ons het lekker gekuier, lekker gedans. Die kunstenaars was amazing. En dan morgenoggend 8:30 het ons 'n lekker ontbyt met wonderlike wenners wat viewers en fans is van Getroud met Rappie en Binnelanders. So we're gonna do that. Ek hoop julle geniet die vlog so ver en dan check ek julle môre.
Girl, I got a question for ya. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. She only love me 'cause I'm dangerous. That boom boom sound like angel dust. Girl, let me hold ya. Put me ting all around.
Good morning, guys. Day 2 on the summer Joel.
Kyk net sommer Joel, lekker.
And now we're going to have breakfast with some viewers of the show. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Monies. Ons is hier so by ontbyt. Kyk hoe beautiful is hierdie ontbyt. Met die wonderlike kykers van Getroud met Rappie en kyk net en Binnelanders. Wat het jy nog willen borde daarso? Okay. Hier is ons lekker vleisje. Ons gaan dit nou skit.
André Schwartz, ek wil jou nooit weer sien.
Right straight from the Caribbean. From Africa, in America. Only from Africa to win the war for America. And we sing, oh yo yo, oh yo yo yo. And we sing, oh yo yo, oh yo yo yo. It's a gala with that dish. Once in life, she got so good. Hey, look at that coming photo. Hey, sing flies in the bridge, so they type of a weed like what a McDonald's. Oh yeah, they sing that cup like the now one. Full leg is getting that.
What is up, guys? It is 5:30 a.m. and I'm gonna be falling asleep in this really nice bed of this beautiful hotel right about now. But yeah, it was a wonderful day. All went well. We enjoyed the evening to the morning, and I'll see you guys at breakfast for our last morning in Sun City. Good morning, guys. We made it to breakfast. All the other chums, they are getting breakfast right now. Yeah, we made it and we are done with the weekend. See you back on the road. Evening sunset.
Little cheers. That's what you gotta do.
Cheers.
What? 4, 3, 3.
Cheers.
1, 6, 8.
Cheers. Yeah.
Yeah, man.